Hello and welcome to the channel. Very excited that you're here today. Today I am doing a handbag unboxing. I was approached by a company called Sinbono, and they asked me if I was interested in grabbing one of their bags and doing a review here on my channel. So this is a partnership with Sinbono. I went to go check out their company. I went to see what they were all about, and I was really impressed. They are a company that produces 100% vegan leather handbags. The bags are used of primarily recycled plastic and or apple leather or fruit leathers, which I just recently saw Justine LeConte talking about pineapple leather. So I was all like, okay, so fruit leathers are a legit thing. Because at first I was all like, what? But yes, they are apparently legit. It is something that companies are turning to be more sustainable, which I really love about that. I always hesitate when I talk about vegan leather bags because vegan leather is essentially polyurethane, which is plastic. I like the fact that Sinbono actually is a bit more sustainable in that they are using recycled products and leather alternatives. So that is one of the biggest reasons why I said yes to the partnership, because I was interested in seeing what these bags would be like. The next reason is because of the bag itself. So let me go ahead and let's get to the unboxing, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about what I think and all of that, because honestly, I haven't even looked at it. I have not even opened it. I've just taken it out of its packaging. To start out with, I really do like the packaging. It is very sturdy and it has this beautiful marbled effect on it. It's got a little bit of gold veining through it, which is actually quite luxe. They did tell me in advance that it might be a little bit banged up in shipping, but I have to honestly say that I am not at all bothered by that. It does have a couple of dents in there, but the box itself has held up quite well. Trust me, I have gotten packages in so much worse shape than this. I like the fact also that the box is really square, but you'll see why. The bag itself is so cute, and I could not wait to get it. The bag comes in a little dust bag that has the Sinbono on there. Has a lovely black ribbon on it. Oh my God, she is so cute. All right, this is the bag that they offered me. They have them in 4 different colors. I was debating between this one or the green one, but I don't really like bags that have color. I much prefer for my bags to be a little bit more classic, more neutral. It looks fantastic with this outfit. And I have to say, oh my gosh, this leather is so soft. The faux leather, I should say. So soft, really nice. Has a little bit of a smell, but I think it'll go away after a while. But look at that. This bag is so sculptural. It is so unique. I don't have anything like this in my collection. And I like the fact that the branding is very minimal. We just have the little Sinbono there. We've got the little handle. This is a magnetic closure, so it does snap shut. So it does come with a gold chain so that you can wear it as a shoulder bag if you want to. It's got a really nice faux suede liner in there. It is a fabric liner, but it is a faux suede. And then it has a small pocket here, maybe where you could put some cards or something like that. But I have to say that I really do like the actual structure of the bag. All right, so here is what it looks like with the strap on. I will likely just wear this on its, just hold on to it like this. What I do like about it though is that you can change out the strap if you want to. I would probably maybe put this gold chain on it to make it a little bit shorter. And they do have chains available on their website though, if that's not your speed. They've got pearls, they've got tortoiseshell, I think, things like that. So you have options if you shop with them. Really impressed by this little bag. It is so adorable, and I would totally wear it like this. By the way, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Oralia, and the content that I provide here is all around style and fashion for the plus size woman, more specifically the petite plus size woman. Being petite, I fully understand the trials and tribulations that we face in trying to find clothing that can fit a petite plus size body. The goal of my channel is to help you to navigate those challenges and bring you styles and fashion that you will love. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content here. If you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very happy to see you again. Let's talk about what fits in the bag. I have my phone. That fits very easily. I've got my little card carrier. I've got my car keys. Those fit. I have my hand lotion. I've got an older favorite lip combo. I carry at least 5 lipsticks, I swear. I've got my favorite everyday lip. I've got my new favorite lip combo. And I have a lip balm. That is pretty much everything that I carry in my bag, and it all fits in there really well. So mostly lip products in my bag. And so there you have it in my little Sinbono bag. I really, really like this. I like the fact that, you know, it fits on my wrist. If I want to wear it that way, I can hold on to it like a little handbag, or I can wear it as a shoulder bag. And I can also change out the different chains that I use, or the different straps that I use with it. I love the fact that it's got beautiful gold hardware. It is such a pretty little bag. This one is a fast favorite, I think. It is so cute. Now, this bag I think was in the ballpark of $100 or $108, something like that, but they have offered me a discount code. Like I said, I really, really think that this is a cute one, but they do have other bags on their website that I am interested in looking at. So I may end up using my own discount code to buy another one, because I think that they're really well made. They're such great quality. This faux leather is so soft. It feels like a luxury handbag. It really does. And I think that it is so adorable. I will have this bag linked in the description bar down below. I will also have Sinbono linked in the description bar down below in case you want to have a look around. Again, I have my discount code that will give you 18% off, which is a pretty significant discount, I think. And if you're looking for a ethically sourced vegan leather handbag, then I think this is your brand. Well, overall, I'm really super happy with the bag. I think it is very, very cute. I am very happy that I have it. Thanks once again to Sinbono for partnering with me. I truly appreciate it. I am very excited to have this little bag, and I can't wait to style it a gazillion different ways. So if you found this video useful, helpful, entertaining in any way, make sure to give me a thumbs up. It really, really helps my channel out. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the bag, and let me know which one you might be interested in getting. Remember that everything is linked in the description bar below. Thank you as always for spending a few minutes of your day with me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to live your life filled with confidence, grace, and style. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.